What up fam, it's your boy Dooley, aka Mr. Do Work. I have another review for you. New package. Wanna check it out? Let's see. I'm just gonna take it off the top. Just like so. Here we go. Here it is. Here it is, guys. You're probably wondering, it's probably called Douni. It's a white noise machine. This is the packaging it comes in. Very simple. You get a satisfied card or not satisfied. So we'll find out if we're satisfied or not. Here we go. Comes with the user manual. Very nice finish. Look at that. There's the speaker. Twist it. There are your controls. Also comes with a power adapter and a USB cable. Down below here is where you'll attach the DC 5 volt. There you go. So this is cool. You have your anti-slip pads here, and then you have your cable slot, so it keeps it held. It's nice and tight in there. Very nice little feature. Here you have your power button, volume controls here. This is your timer, and if you look up here, it says 30, 60, 90. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Yep, 30, 60, 90. And that's just your timer indicator. And then here, this is your nature sounds, your fan sounds, your white noise sounds. So let's try the power on. Oh, it's already going, guys. I haven't even touched the volume. It's pretty loud. Wow. As you can see, that's the volume control. This thing puts out so much sound, guys. I'm not going to go through all the sounds because I don't want to bore you. Going up on sound. There you guys have it. There's your Douni white noise machine. I hope this review helps you. If you have any questions, shoot me a question for Amazon. I hope this is very helpful. Make sure you guys do me a favor, follow your boy. Help me be able to do more of these on a regular basis, because obviously the more subscribers, the more followers, I get to do a ton of these for you, and I get to help you make a better decision before you make a purchase. All right, it's your boy Douli. I'm out.